How to see old Snapchat chats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see old Snapchat chats easily. So if your Snapchat messages disappeared or you're trying to find older conversation, don't worry. This guide will help you to understand what you can and can't recover. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Snapchat and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply swipe right to open the chat section, and Snapchat only shows chat that are saved or not cleared yet. So if your messages are still here, simply tap on the conversation to view them. And here, if you don't see old chats, here is the important thing to know. So Snapchat automatically deletes messages after they are viewed unless they were saved. So to check for saved chats, just open the conversation and scroll up, and any message that was saved will be still visible. You can also tap on the profile icon of that chat and then open the chat settings as well, and there you can see if the message was set to delete immediately or after 24 hours. So here, if your chats are already deleted, Snapchat does not allow official recovery to old messages. However, you can try one more thing. So here what you can do is simply go back, and from here, you can simply go to the Snapchat settings by going to the profile section first, and after that, you can simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on my privacy and data, and here you can just tap on my data. And now here in this section, what you can do is simply scroll down, and there you can simply select what you want to export by simply toggling on that option, and after that you can just tap on submit or next, and here you can just select the time, and after that you can just tap on submit to request your data by logging into your account. And Snapchat may include some chat history metadata, but it usually won't restore the full conversation. So that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.